Dear friends, welcome to Sugamo Tutorials. Let us see how we can make queries using QGIS. This is one of the important aspects of GIS. You can make maps in other graphic softwares, but you cannot make queries. Whereas in QGIS, you can make maps. At the same time, you can make queries and then use it for different purpose. The important aspect of GIS is making queries. So let us see how we can make queries in QGIS. So I have opened my Taluk maps of Tamil Nadu, as well as I opened the population data in CSV format. I linked it. Let me check up my attribute table. I'm going to attribute table. I'm just checking up my thing. See, now your population data has been linked. Now I wanted to make a query. So go to your attribute table. On the top you have select features using an expression. That you have to click it. Once you click it, select by expression table has come. There you have to go to fields and then go to double click the total population. Total population field has come. Then you have to close this one. Go to operators. The operators, you click more than symbol. See, more than symbol has come. You type 1 million population. So once you have given the expression here on the left side, go to the right bottom, click the select features. Once you select features, see in the map, it is showing all the taluks having more than 1 million population is highlighted by yellow color. In the table also you have, it is selected but is in different places. So what you should do, you have to go to left bottom, show selected features. See, all the selected features have come on the top. Then again you go to your total population, click it, double click it. So once you click it, it will show ascending and descending order. See, Chennai Taluk having highest, that stands on the top. Second Coimbatore Taluk, south, then Madurai south and Salem. So all the 4 taluks having more than 1 million population in the taluk level. So it is shown in the table. At the same time, the map also, it is shown here. Now I wanted to make one more expression. This is only 4, so I need not save it. If you want, you can save this all the 4. So I wanted to give one more example. So I just remove this 1 million and then say 500,000. 500,000 I am giving and just clicking the select features. See, the taluks having more than 500,000 population being highlighted. Suppose I wanted to save this, I close this expression table. See, you can see the distribution pattern of taluks having more than 500,000 population. This I wanted to save it as a separate layer. I can go here, export, go to export, save selected feature as, go to your folder, say more than 500,000. This is the name I have given. I just folder name I have given, leave as it is, save OK. It is being saved. So now I just remove the Taluk file from this, so you can see the new file has come more than 500,000 Taluks. This you can use it for some other purpose, or you can also interpret. So this is how you can make a separate layers making queries. You can also make number of queries in different aspects of population or any other aspects, like if you want to have a slope, more than 18-degree slope or more than 5-degree slope, something like that. Any thing in the attribute table you can make queries that will come separately. It will be highlighted, that you can save it as a separate layer. This is how you can make queries in QGIS and then make a separate layer. Hope this is interesting for you. If it is interested, please like it, subscribe it, share it with your friends. If you have any comments, you please kindly add the comments. Thank you so much.